Welcome to the world of Apple's iPhone 15 series, where innovation meets choice. In this exploration, we'll journey through the unique offerings of each iPhone, helping you find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. iPhone 15. Let's start with the iPhone 15, a remarkable device that seamlessly blends style and functionality. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, its durability is matched only by its elegance. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion technology delivers vivid colors and smoother scrolling. The customizable action button empowers you to personalize your experience effortless. And thanks to the A17 Pro chip, this iPhone excels at everyday tasks and beyond. iPhone 15 Plus. If you're yearning for a cinematic experience, the iPhone 15 Plus is your ticket. Its expansive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display immerses you in movies, games, and content like never before. The A17 Pro chip ensures that multitasking is a breeze, and the impressive camera system captures memories with impeccable clarity. Whether you're a gamer or a media enthusiast, this device is your ideal companion. iPhone 15 Pro. Moving forward, we arrive at the iPhone 15 Pro, the embodiment of precision and power. The titanium frame not only exudes durability but also showcases sophistication. The 48MP main camera system, driven by computational photography, offers unprecedented flexibility. With the A17 Pro chip, you have the performance of a pro in your pocket. Content creators and gamers, this one's tailored for you. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, behold the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the pinnacle of excellence. Its 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display sets a new standard for visual perfection. The 5x telephoto camera, equipped with advanced stabilization and autofocus 3D sensor shift module, elevates your photography game. With the A17 Pro chip, you experience unparalleled performance. And the option for ProRes video recording opens doors for filmmakers. If you demand the best, here it is. Now, let's explore some unified features across all four devices. USB-C connectivity. It ensures lightning-fast data transfer, while ultra-wideband technology allows precise tracking. Wi-Fi 6E guarantees lightning-fast wireless performance, and 5G connectivity keeps you connected anywhere. Safety innovations like crash detection and emergency SOS via satellite provide peace of mind. iOS 17. The beating heart of your iPhone, brings exciting features to the table. Contact posters and live voicemail in the phone app personalize your interactions. Messages gain a new dimension with stickers, audio message transcriptions, and check-in for safety. Name Drop simplifies sharing, while standby mode keeps you informed at a glance. Plus, enhanced privacy in Safari and the innovative Journal app make your iPhone experience truly exceptional. Sustainability and a brighter future. Beyond performance, Apple prioritizes sustainability. All iPhone 15 models incorporate recycled materials, aligning with Apple's goal of a greener future. The shift away from leather to eco-friendly fine-woven cases and wallets signifies a significant step toward reducing environmental impact. With 4 fantastic iPhones in the iPhone 15 series, let's help you find your perfect match. The iPhone 15 is ideal for adventure and productivity, thanks to its sleek design and the powerful A17 Pro chip. If you're into movies, gaming, or content creation, the iPhone 15 Plus offers an immersive experience with its large display and top-notch performance. Creatives thrive with the iPhone 15 Pro, featuring an advanced camera system and the A17 Pro chip for endless possibilities. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is for those who demand the most from their smartphone, with a stunning display, pro-level camera, and the A17 Pro chip. Explore your lifestyle, consider your needs, and select the iPhone 15 that suits you best. More than a smartphone, it's an innovation packed with all the features you need. After all, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment in innovation. In the world of iPhones, there's a perfect fit for everyone.